Okay. We're live. Yay! I'm gonna flip this camera thing around because I keep looking at it. It's like the monitor on the LCD panel on the camera that I have. It kind of distracts me, and every time I want to like look at the camera, I look slightly to the side because that's where the monitor is, and it's like I don't know. I'm nervous again. Can't believe it's already been a week. It's been more than a week, actually. So I think what we're gonna do is just chill out, listen to my own music. And that's just gonna... I made like a quick little playlist. I'm gonna have to veto some of these tracks at some point, probably. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna... I don't know if all of them are gonna fit the vibe, essentially is what I'm saying. Hi, Ember. Hello. I'm just gonna point at Discord and be like, oh, hang on, I forgot to change something. It's something I wanted to change. Gosh. Oh no. I wanted to experiment. There's an experiment that I want to do. Alright. While I set up, I guess we're gonna just turn it up a little bit, you know? Bounce. What the fuck? Hey Tim, what's good? What's up? How you doing? I was going to experiment with Twitch ads. That's what we're doing. We're gonna change it up. We're gonna be different. We're gonna make it different. Whatever it is, it's not gonna be the same. It's gonna be different. What was it? What was I gonna... Should I just change nothing? Screw it, we're changing nothing. I forgot what I was gonna do, so we're not gonna do it. I'll do it next time, whatever it was. Oh, I was gonna obliterate mid-roll ads. I was gonna be like, none. No thanks. None of them. Just to see what it's like. Just to see what happens. To see if, anything happens. Anyway. This is here. I'm just procrastinating. I have... things... did I plug Discord at all? No. No, I did not. Hang on. Let me... Oh, ads. No ads! I know. Should we? Should we change that? Yeah. Yeah. I'll do that later. I was gonna do something. I was gonna post Discord. Hang on. Link in thing. Edit. I'm trying to do a thing. And it's not that difficult. I'm just really tired. Copy link. Boom. Paste link. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. Where... I don't know. Code. It's code time. So, I have a problem. The rails, they don't rail correctly. These ones, it's the T intersections that I need to fix, because... Actually, that's the only thing I need to fix. The corners go the right way. Corner pieces. I can't select them individually, because these have been generated. all I have to do is get these ones to rotate the right way. And then all is good with those. Hey. Hey, Lolly. Oh, that's gonna happen every single time. Every time a song changes, is there a setting I can disable? Fun fact, the song is titled Untitled 4. Nice save. I don't know what I was saying. I'm so sleep deprived, I think. I'm so out of it. I was really nervous to do a stream, but then I'm still nervous to do a stream, and I'm currently doing a stream. Anxiety sucks. But we're fine. We're chilling. We're chilling as long as you just say you're chilling. Should I turn the music down a little bit? Or are we okay with it? You're struggling to say my name. Hey, Lolier, what's up? Script. Normally I just do that. Okay, that's weird. So I have this code. It rotates all of the corner pieces, to be correct. I have another one that needs to, junction? Okay, that's where you do the X and you don't have to do anything. Okay, so with T junction. So I calculated some. I should have done this the same day I did the corners, because I was on a roll. I genuinely don't remember what. Music down this much, yeah. Okay. Yeah, again, I was saying earlier that there are some tracks in the playlist that I'm gonna go through them again. I spent like a solid hour putting it together, just based off of what was on my hard drive. Some of it's a real vibe, but it's also all over the place. And we want it to be less, me losing track of what I was coding happens every time I go to the bathroom. Oh. I feel refreshed when I go to the bathroom. When I come back from that, I'm good. Actually, that's not true. Sometimes I'm good. I lose track when I don't go to the bathroom. I lose track when I am on track. So what did I do? I do some custom function stuff where I check what... Okay, hang on. All of them by default have a thing that sticks out and it points towards X. So they're all left turns by default. Or left pointing junctions. Yeah. Okay. So that's what we're doing. I want to play Slime Rancher 2. Hey! Nice. Is it, better than Slime Rancher 1? That's not what I wanted to hit. Not at all what I wanted to hit. Script editor. Maybe I shouldn't have it in another window. Checkin' jockey. Hi? Hi. Hello. Yes, it's better than the first one. Oh. Hell yeah. Okay. I don't want to do this. I think the main reason I'm so nervous to be here right now is that to be fair, if I wasn't streaming, where's celebration reward gone? I want to rework everything and hello, hi, hey. Oh look, yeah. Poster. It's up there. It's in the background of my stream like I said it would be. I don't have my water bottle. I owe you one, or I could drink out of a comically large Pepsi bottle. I could do that. We could... Wait, stop it. I need to do my work. Can you, turn off? Okay, there we go. That's good. What am I doing? Bye. Rails. You know what I could do, right? It's just a bunch of if statements. I don't want to do it this way, but it's the easiest way I can possibly think of. Where, I want to get both connected cells that are on the same axis. So like on a T, you need to get railed. I wish. So like this T intersection, it has one connected cell on the Z and another connected cell on the Z, and just ignore this. Pretend that's not there. And then the other one sticks out in the X direction. So they actually have two different Z values. They'll be on X together. The X value will be the same. Okay, I just want to find the two cells that have the same number on one of the coordinates. That's what I want to do. Rail in line. I don't know what the adjacent, I think, is what I'm gonna go with. That would make sense. You're gonna be an array. I can type of maze.cell. There we go. And that's equal to Mamma mia, but I don't know how I'm gonna code that. What is it? Oh, it'll be cell.connected cells. Should I just... Should I just... I just set it to all of the cells, and then I guess I'll just kick out the one that has... Alright. No, it's gonna be... How do I want to do that? Find two of the cells that... It's so stupid, but if the connected cells dot X? Oh, hang on. The first one dot coords dot X is the same as cell dot the second one. Because there's only 3. Right. Hang on, let me just wrap that all in brackets so I can do this. Or... Oh, that actually sucks. This code sucks, but... hang on. It'll lead towards something greater when I change it. What do you not like? What's your problem? Oh. Sick. Do a for loop. Yeah, I could. Goodbye. I could, but... Is that what I want to do? Actually, no, I think that is what I'm going to do. But, you know, I'll do this, and then change it to and. Okay, hang on. Find the pair in a group of 3 where either X is the same or Y is the same. Alright. I think I know. It'll be that dot filter? it not a filter custom? Is it just filter? Oh, filter is custom. Okay. Func. Cell. Maybe just name it C. And then boom. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna be? 4 inside 4. I'm gonna I mean filter is essentially a for loop. It goes over all of the things. So I'm just gonna return true if it's the same as so I'm gonna do a 4. There we go. There's the 4. Cell. No, I can't use the word cell. For CC in cell connected. Get it? Like that. And then just do if oh my god, but I have to make it okay. If CC is equal to C, then continue. If CC dot coords dot X is equal to C dot coords dot X, return so that, in theory, I think. Hang on, I need an OR. Boom. And nope, that didn't copy. That didn't copy. I copied. And then change X to Y. So it'll go over all of the cells. It'll, in the array of connected cells, it'll compare each connected cell to the others and only keep the ones that has. Give me name of song, please. It's my Spooktune remix. It's on YouTube. It's when did I upload that? It'll be like 2017 or something. Even earlier, potentially. It's just my name. Yeah. I literally, this entire thing is me. So if you want to complain about one of the songs, you can complain directly to the source. But yeah, because I thought then I can play it and not credit anyone because I don't have to. Yeah, I can complain. Haha. You can complain and actually maybe make a difference because I might change something. I likely won't change anything about any of these tracks except for the Undertale song, which for some reason doesn't have a title. This blank one here is the Undertale remix that I'm working on. For some reason, got no name. I don't understand. Okay, I'm just gonna print after that. Hopefully Rails adjacent 1 and 0 exist. Oh, actually, just iterate over it. I just remembered I probably need a return. I probably need a return false in there if. Hang on, that's in the wrong place. There we go. Yeah. Surely you want to surely. For... I'll just do this. Oh, actually, I can just do the print right here. It'll be so much easier. Print. Found CC coords. Just add the coords. Sweet. No, that's the one. Yeah. Okay. Let's test it. Go. Didn't like that. Didn't like that. It doesn't want to do that. Can't do that. No. Okay. Can't do that. We'll just do it this way. That works. 2 1 4 1 1 3 1 1. Yay! Oh, it works. Okay, I found 2 cells at a time, so that's a good sign. So now I need to tell if it's there, if they're both Y and if they're both X. Okay. We're figuring it out. We're figuring it out. I don't want to be figuring it out. I'm tired. I want to play Minecraft, which we might actually do. But I have to be a good boy first and do my work. If I don't do that, I can't play Minecraft. That's the rules. Var. I think Var. Is Var the thing I'm going for? I don't remember. What am I doing? I'm finding the whether or not they're on Y or whether or not they're on X. I could just... I could just do this. Is X or is Y? No. What the hell? I don't know what to do. Alright, what's the problem? What's the problem? The problem is I want... First off, check if they're aligned. I can't type today, apparently, on X or Y. Compare the turn direction after that. Rotate accordingly. I wonder what happens just as a complete, just as a test. What happens if I do rail dot... Yeah, pseudocode is great. Can I just look at the first connected cell? Dot. Whoops. First one. What's the connected cells should have. Oh, cell dot connected cells, right? That's why it doesn't exist. Okay, got it. Because that should get me halfway there, I think. Alright, I don't know what's happening here. Oh, I do know what's happening here. It needs to rotate 90 degrees. Okay. Do we have any other T intersections? Wait. This one's the same exact problem. It's facing 2 of them, but 1. I'm actually curious. Because I don't remember the code I wrote to actually generate these... like which cells are considered connected and not, like if that happens in a particular order. Because I might be able to cheat and not do any checking and just rotate. Like, just look at the second one instead of the first one. Alright, that T intersection just didn't work. Okay. Just look at the third one. Okay, this doesn't work. Well, yeah. Yeah, no, they don't work. Okay, it don't work. We don't do it that way. It's bad. It's silly. Don't like it. What I could do... Check this. Actually, surely, right. Let me undo that. Look at Rails adjacent. The first one. think that means it will always, every T intersection will always connect to at least 2 of them. Because it will always stick to, that's, actually, that didn't work. Oh no, it did. No, it didn't. What? Wait, which way is this supposed to be facing? I should put the walls back on, because I can't tell what it's supposed to be doing without the walls. There's a line I commented out. Because apparently that's the way we want to do testing. Where is it? Where is it? Wall. That's not helpful. That's not going to help me at all. I also typed WAST instead of wall. I can just find it here. Maze. Oh yeah, I need to uncommit the uncommit at some point. Maze. No? Maze generator? Oh, I just did it there. Okay. No, I know where that is. Okay, I got it. I got it. It's right at the top. Place walls. Okay, we want to place walls. Okay. T intersections. Where are they? They're here. And you're facing absolutely the wrong way. Which way is forwards? In theory, that's... Which way does it think forwards is? That's probably a good thing to check. Rail junction T. So it does this. It lines along the Z. So, oh god, what's going on with the walls? Okay, that's a later problem. I ain't touching that. Not right now. I thought I fixed that years ago. Yonks, even. What the hell? Okay. I mean, that's just my shader being whacked. So you should be facing this way, according to my brain. If you're here and you look at either this one or that one, because those are your options, those are the ones that have a matching coordinate number. How have you rotated 90 degrees? How did you do that? How did you do that? Yeah, let me find it. Let me find a T. Let me find a T. Found one that actually just straight up worked. For some reason. Okay. Maybe I should do some debug items that show up in the world. Oh yeah, there's a ceiling. I don't know why that worked. Is it connected cell here? I mean, it's on the Z. That's the way it is by default. Yeah. That's the default rotation. Many thoughts. many thoughts, and this one didn't. Wait, did they just not rotate at all? Wait, maybe that's what happened. T, give me T, give me T. Okay, that one hasn't rotated at all. That actually could be what's happening right now. Is it just isn't rotating. Ever. Oh. Yeah. Okay, that's what's happening. Why? Oh, I know. I got it. We need like this is doing weird stuff where it doesn't add the child, so it can't look at a global position. I have to look at from position. Okay, got it. From position. That's the thing. And then we start with cell dot. I'll just do position. I'll just do position. I know my positions are correct. That's how this works. And even if they weren't, they're relative to each other. Okay, now they should be rotated. That did rotate. It just the wrong way. It's looking at the wrong one. Let's see. So I could do some quick math, right? If their x values are the same, that means the rail goes in the z because the x will be equal, right? And then I can check if it's a left turn or a right turn based on whether x is positive. If x is the same in both of them, and then if it's a right turn, rotate it. Otherwise, don't do anything. That's the first thing I'm gonna write. And then that will, I know that will work. That will work. Stupid if statement. If, it'll be an if and then a nested if and then another if with a nested if. I'm gonna turn off mid-rolls. Yes, I am on a quest to, I don't know. I'm on something. Twitch.tv/other Josh, let me create a dashboard. And I'm gonna go to community content monetization ads. I don't need a tutorial. Okay, can I wait, can you turn off mid-roll ads at all? Wait, hold on. Can you turn off, what about no ads manager? Ads not scheduled. You're still gonna have mid-roll ads, aren't you? Even if ads aren't Okay, I just turned off scheduled ads. Whether or not that works, I don't know. I have no idea. We're rolling with it. Just change the rate when they show, but the rate is... Oh, it makes ads random. Yell at me if you get an ad. Yell at me really loudly so that I can hear you from wherever you are. And then thank you. And then I'll turn it back on, but make it really low. I'll yell across the city. Big yell. Big loud. If... I don't need brackets. If... Rails edge. The first one. Top. Towards dot y is the same as the second one. Boom. We'll do something. Another if statement. If oh my god, I need the cell that's not, gosh dang it. I need to rename that. That's not a good name. Rails adjacent, terrible name. Not what I needed. Cells adjacent is what I'm after. There we go. Cell unadjacent cell turn. Cell turn? I'm just gonna name it cell turn, I guess. Cell turn is the one that's it's a maze. It's a maze cell. Where it's from connected cells. Is it find? Find custom. But that it'll be this is stupid, but There you go. Funk. E. Boom, boom. There you go. Perpendicular! Yeah, true. Where might ring go? All of the on-screen effects and stuff, I don't have them enabled at the moment. That's why Celebration is off. That's why Blackout doesn't exist. Because I want to, like, you know, make it better. At the moment, I'm just sort of raw dogging a stream. I'm just like, it's just here. We're just here. That's what's happening. That's all we got. And I'm kind of enjoying that at the moment. I like that there's just nothing flashy. It's just chill. We're just chilling. I think I'll bring it back at some point when I bother coding it. But yeah, I want to make it so much better than it was. That's the idea. Will I be successful? We don't know. Find the one that is not in adjacent cells. That's literally it. Not cells. Do I just do return? The opposite of cells dot no. Cells adjacent. Oh my god, I can't type very well. I can type, just terribly. Has? Yeah. There we go. What's your problem? Expected end of statement after variable declaration. Oh. Nope, that didn't work. Oh, I just I just put 2 equals instead of 1. Oh my goodness, I'm so smart. We're so smart. Okay. We're gonna check. Add in the top right of your screen. Wait, just the top right? So like a mid-roll, but not really? Weird. Strange. I guess I will put the schedule back on if you get a freaking full screen invasive ad. Yeah, that's strange. I'm gonna paid so much less for that. I don't get paid very well for ads anyway. I don't want it. They suck. Ads suck. If... Right, now I can get the cell turn. I should probably check that cell turn work. I'll just print found cell turn. I don't know if it has, but I'm just gonna pretend it has. And then we're gonna put in cell turn dot. Oops! Wow. Wow, I'm typing wrong. Words. There we go. Point that out so that it doesn't break things. Maze generator, generate. Found cell turn? Nope. Connected cells not declared in the current scope. Where? Wait, where? Where did I do that? 74. Print cell, what? Wait, what? Cell turn is maze cell, which is cell dot, cell dot connected cells. Brr. That's an interesting place to find that. Cell connected cells is right there. Okay. I don't know what the problem is. also node not inside tree that use node look at from position. Did I not do that? Have I not done exactly that? Oh, there are no errors. Wait, what? We did find cell turn. Okay, I'm panicking over nothing. I think I was reading old messages. That might have been exactly what I was doing. Ah, that's sad. Okay, we're gonna do. What are we gonna do? Right. Okay. So we're doing the thing. Don't need those print statements no more. So if the chords y is the same, that's actually not what I wanted to do because that's I'm gonna do x first. Then if cells, if the first cell division dot chords dot x minus, no, that's not a minus, minus the cell turn towards x. Dot x. Okay. This is how I tell if it's a left or a right turn, essentially, when you're facing positive z. So if it's a should I do this the other way around? No, it doesn't make a difference. It shouldn't make a difference. So when it's if that is less than 0, do nothing. I guess I'll just do greater than 0. Rotate. Rail dot rotate. Y-axis. Pi. Because 2 pi would be 360, so just pi, right? I think. How am I going to test this? How am I going to check that this worked? It just straight up didn't. It just didn't. Well, wait, hang on. But that did rotate. I think I just got the statement the wrong way around then. And just say if it's less than 0. Still didn't work? Okay. Am I insane and that just hasn't rotated? No, it has rotated. Why did it rotate the same way both times? I changed the code. Did I not save the code? No, I saved the code. Oh, hang on, what? But now, wait, it worked. That one, hang on, that actually works. That works. But that didn't, huh? No, yeah, the X value is different. This should be, it should be different. It should be different. More. So when it needs to be a left turn, it's still a right turn. It's rotating no matter what. It's rotating no matter what. No, that works. What? Okay, there's a T intersection. It hasn't rotated at all because these ones are the same, and then that's positive X. Cool. That rotated correctly. And this one didn't. Why? Why did this one not? You have a point here, and a point here. Just point to the other one, man. You're fine. You have rotated when you didn't need to. You shouldn't have rotated at all. I'm so confused. What? Why? Okay. It is the X chord that we're checking the difference for. That is what we're checking. If the first adjacent cell, that might be this one or that one. We're looking at the X. That's the wrong line of code. This one. Checking your X coord and take away the that one coord. And checking if that's greater than 0. What if I just do equals 1 then? That shouldn't make a difference. Okay, you've not rotated at all. Cool. You've not rotated at all. You've not rotated at all. Off to a really nice start. You have, and you also have, but the wrong way. Okay. Just a bunch of debug logs, I guess. What? Why? Is it even worth making like a custom script that hard codes the maze to be a specific? Should I do that? I'll have like a debug maze generator and it'll just set the cells, just hard code the cells so that I know exactly which ones are supposed to be what in which positions. Is that a thing I should do? Probably not. I want to get this done like as soon as possible so that I can move on to the next game. It's a good idea, but I wanted to be done with this 4 weeks ago. Yeah, well, because like imagine, right, I could set it up so that like I have here, it needs to generate a T intersection that goes that way, and then over here a T intersection that goes that way, and then like all 4 intersections will exist. Yeah, it maybe is too late, but how helpful would that be right now? Like I can't figure out why this one didn't rotate, but then this one did, and so did this one, but it's the wrong way, and then this one... I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna do a crap ton of debug logs, I guess. Oh, do I have any... what I might do, potentially, is... real position is cell position. Just a quick temporary. Actually, do, because that highlights it. Remove this stupid line. If cell dot type is maze cell type junction. Oh, I don't have a way of filtering that with X's or T's. Okay. All of the X's will get lifted as well. I'll just do rail dot position plus equals vector 3 dot up. Oh. Okay, so... oh, that's freaky. All of the T-junctions got lifted. Okay. For no reason other than it kind of makes them easier to see. So you didn't rotate, but you did, and you're going the wrong way, but you didn't, but now you're going the wrong way because you didn't. You're going the wrong way because you did, and then you're going fine because you didn't. Ah. Debug logs. Debug logs. We're gonna... I don't know. When we do rotate them, say why. That might be a good idea. So... right junction. Right, here we go. Print rotated. That's not a string. Rotated 90 degrees. Adjacent cells are that. Yeah, okay. And then, boom. Give an array of, what's the first one? It's cell turn dot, is it like dot name or is it already, oh yeah, dot name, that's the one. Cells adjacent, cells adjacent 0 dot name. And the second one, dot name. Dot. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you wanted to finish game like 4 weeks ago, yeah. Did that not print anything? Why did that not print anything? Did I just not save the script? That's potentially the problem. Okay. Didn't say nothing. I am stupid. Because I didn't get rid of that one... Because I didn't get rid of that one line where it just rotates the thing anyway. And it just points at the first connected cell. I realized that because this one's rotated and I forgot that I told it not to. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're so smart. Okay, that... Oh! No, why did this one not rotate? Why the... Okay, this one got rotated 90 degrees. Is that... 03? I don't have numbers. Is there a debugging editor? There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, this also makes it easier to find T-intersections. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of that line that lifts it up because it's not helpful anymore. It's really silly. Didn't need that anyway. Never did. Never needed that. Go. See, look, a T-intersection, because it says so. Wait, what? Did nothing rotate? Okay, rotated cell 2-3. Find cell 2-3. 2-3? 2... That's 3-2. There's 2-3. Wait, what? Am I silly? Am I reading that wrong? Is it... No, 3-2 is an X. 3-4 and 3-2. So, that number is wrong for some reason? Why is your name cell 2-3, but your coordinates are 3-3? Oh, wait, no, hang on. It's just printing the wrong cell. It's just printing the wrong name. I got it. I said the thing sillily. It's not cell turn name. It's just cell dot name. Oops. Turn is boom. So there we need the cell turn name. There you go. That is better. So we're looking for 1-3. 1-3. 1-3. 1. It's here. Here it is. Okay, that is correct. That's what you want. Jason cell is 1-2 and 1-4. Yeah, oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, 4-3. What I need to find is an example of it rotating when it's not supposed to. I think. That was correct. That worked. Okay. Wait. Is it just constantly working? So that one won't rotate. Wait, hang on. No, this one should have... No. That one wasn't going to work anyway. Because it's going the other way. It's going the other way. Ooh. But I know exactly how much it needs to go. If... Yeah, 2-4 didn't rotate. Wait. 2-4. 2-4. Okay, yeah, that's the same thing though, because I haven't written the code yet that accounts for when X is the same. Actually, if I just do that right now, will that fix everything? Because that might actually be... That might be it. Just do this. Just copy the line. I copied the wrong line. So this... if their Y values are the same, then we can check if... Oops. 2 ifs. Right. So... That would be... You know what, I'm just gonna completely guess that that one needs to rail.rotate y by pi over 2 and else. Just do that. Rail.rotate y pi times 1.5. I believe that would... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just got it. We just did it. Oh my goodness. All of the rails are connected. All of them. That one rotated. This one rotated. This one rotated. That one oh my god. They all work. I mean, okay, that's a success. I reckon. Play the game. Okay, the rails don't exist. the rails need to appear. Okay, all right. I wrote some stinky code that needs to go away because where's generate maze? It's specifically in the toggle generate maze. Okay. So in maze, you need to... Why did I do that? No. Somewhere. The maze mesh generator needs to do the thing. What is it? Generate rails. Oh. Yeah. But I could do... I mean, I guess that works. Just do maze mesh generator. Dot generate rails? Is that what it's called? Oh, it's... For some reason it's a Node 3D, that's why I had no IntelliSense. Okay. Play the game. They're not showing up. Why? Why? What? The maze is the maze as cells. Cells is that, and then generate rate. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Cells, and then we're not gonna have that, right? Yeah. Okay. Because then we pass in cells. which is an array. Oh. An array. There we go. So for each row in cells, generate. That should work. No. What? Wait, why? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Hmm? What's going on here? Why doesn't it work in play mode in runtime? Another ed in top right. Oh. Still not a mid-roll, kind of. Still different, right? I don't know. Oh, okay. Huh. Well, that's not that bad. It's not, like, invasive. I think. It kind of is, but it's not like, you know, covering this stream. I don't know why this isn't working, and that's doing my head in. Generate rails based on the cells. How hard is that? I'm just gonna... print. Generating rail at that, and then that's cell.name. Wait, so somehow we've rotated a cell, rotated a rail. Oh wait, we are generating rails at all of the cells. Why did they not show up? Oh. Oh, I know why. I know why. I know why. I get it. I know what it is. That's the wrong thing. I need to it's the player. Because the player is on the cells. No. Wait, but the camera's up there. Wait. Hold on, what? No, I'm confused now. Now I'm confused. I don't know what the problem is. I don't know what's going on anymore. Should I just move the head up a little bit more? I don't know. Why do you not show up? Where are your rails? What? What the heck? Oh my goodness. I wish I spent more time on this game earlier. Because this could have been cool. It could have been way cooler than it currently is. I don't know what's going on, why the rails don't exist. What is with you and not having rails? What is it? I don't understand. I'm just gonna check the maze mesh generator. Cell width never used. Oh no, cell width exists. Oh, I know what it is. We're scaling the rail by cell width. But cell width has never been... No, cell width doesn't know what it is, so it's just 0. So we've scaled everything by 0. Why, then, does it work with the maze generator, the debug buttons? Generate, toggle generate. That doesn't tell it what it is. The heck? Oh no, it does. It actually does. Okay. So Maze needs to do that. There we go. Let's... It's really stupid, but it should work. Oh, the rails! They're so dark. Oh my goodness. Why are they so dark? Okay. Okay. We've done a thing. I'm going to put the camera down a bit again. And then we're essentially just done. I think it needs a main menu, a pause menu. That's it. That's all we're gonna do. Main menu, pause menu. Yeah. I was thinking of making a little minecart, and so the player's in a minecart, you know, and then that way it's just gonna be like a cube, but then the middle of it just hollowed out. Is that a thing we should do? That's probably a thing we should do. Yeah. And then yeah, there'll be lights on that minecart. Even though it's like a Minecraft minecart, there shouldn't be lights on it, but I'm gonna put some lights on it. It's gonna have a cool like neon colored thing around the outside of it. It's gonna be like RGB. It's gonna be pretty cool. Okay, I gotta move your head back down. Your head was too high. I don't remember how far I moved it. I actually don't know. Oh, there we go. I can just undo it. Oh, that sucks. I mean, I'm glad they're here. It's just shockingly looks different, you know? Looks different to how I thought it was going to look. Didn't make it according to the lighting. I guess I did make it pretty, I guess I did make the texture quite dark. Yikes. Okay, I gotta fix that. The wall shader again? I've been through this before. Why is it doing this again? It's alright. I just need to go to like, Maze Wall GD shader, right? Yonk. You're still doing the thing. Okay, I changed the thing that didn't make a difference. It is 2.0. I'll just do... You know what? I don't know what that code is doing. Maybe just do a little... Yeah, it's always gonna look different. Okay. I could just get rid of the shader. I don't need it. I don't really need it. Anyway. Just 0.01. And just do plus offset. Why did that make everything huge? Wait. What? I don't see it doing anything anymore, so I guess it's been fixed. Whoa. Started in a weird place. I don't know, do I keep it? Suppose I could. I should, okay. What do we do? Just keep, it's good. It's done. Like the rails, they're finished. They look bad, but I'm keeping it that way. Keeping it that way. I'm gonna reset that because that commit message was bad. That's feet. Add rails to maze generation. Sure. Alright. Sweet. That has worked. So I have a thing called Game Manager. I don't know what that does. Oh, that is actually being used. Okay. So do I have like a global script or something? Globals. No. Okay. I'm gonna make a thing. It's just gonna be called global, I guess. I suppose. Yeah. Go. And that way. Where's the thing where you tell it what scene it is when it runs? Main scene. Okay. Currently it's level. I don't want it to be level. It's gonna be main menu. Should I keep track of high score? That wouldn't be very difficult. There's no fail state. Never mind. There's literally no fail state. You play until you decide that you're done. That's actually it. You can't die. There's no enemy. Nothing. There's nothing. Doesn't matter. We're gonna call it. There is an enemies folder, but there's no enemies in the game. That's kind of upsetting, but it's fine. We're gonna make a new scene. It's gonna be. It's gonna be a 3D scene. I don't want it to be 3D. Nah. Don't save. New scene. Face. I think it would be pretty cool. I think it would be pretty cool if the main menu was in a maze, but how do I make a maze? Because I can't, like, export the... I could do that debug maze thing I was talking about, where I just tell each point what it is. I mean, I could just do that. I could make the main menu maze a very specific maze. Let's worry about that later. I just need to make a new scene. It's a 3D scene for now, and there's a. If I decide that it can't, why is that window over on my second monitor? Why is it up in the corner? Huh? Why are you in the corner? What the heck? That's not helpful. I can't move the window. Okay, that's fine. At least there's a search. And is it layer? I don't remember how I do it. We're going with the control node. Yikes. And then if that control node was full rect, does that do anything? I'm assuming that's just covering the whole screen, right? So if I had a... What is it, color rect? Yeah. And also set that to yoink. Full. Be full! Main. Nah, main menu. I like calling it that. Save. Okay, yeah, that works. Is it resizable? You not really. Wait, what? Huh. Okay, that works. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna get rid of that. And yep. And it's gonna be completely gray. That's nice. That's what I was going for. Could just take name. No. You don't have... Yeah, you get called by the levels, so I would have to have another script that tells it what to... I mean, it wouldn't be very hard to, like, hard code a very tiny specific portion of the maze, because you don't see that many cells ahead of you. Like, it could just be, like, a T intersection, and, like, it ends with, like, a junction somewhere. I don't know. And maybe an exit within view. Who knows? Not I. I just need 2 buttons. Play, options, quits. Those are 3 buttons. That's what we're doing. Been live for a minute, BRB. No worries. I am so out of it. You know what? You know what? I'm also gonna BRB. I don't. Oh, I have global. Okay. Getting what the. Yeah. That works. Oh wait, I can zoom in even further? No. Okay. Fair enough. Oh, right. I'm back. Much to my own dismay, apparently. I don't want to bother, but I really want this done. So we're gonna bother. That's the idea. Won't resize that to the thing I like. Okay, so we got... I'm just gonna make buttons first. Make buttons first. Button? Guess it's just button, right? Button? Button. Text display. I don't have a good font. Theme? Make a new one, why not? Make a... I'm honestly might just not bother. I might just not bother. I'm just gonna do some overrides. No, wait, font sizes, there we go. We'll make it like, I don't know, big but not huge. Kind of huge. Huge. Where would it be? It would be over there. And then just, nope. Like that. Makes sense. And then we have button options. Am I even gonna bother with options? Like, what options? Play or quit, baby. That's all we got. Wait. It's a mobile game. You don't normally have a quit button, do you? You just kind of exit the app. Right? There is no quit button. Oh my god, it's just play. Alright, you know what it is. You know what it is. You know what we do. We just yonk that right in the middle. There we go. Yeah, that's right. I remember okay. You know what it is. We're gonna set up a scene where there's a maze in it, but it's like not really a maze. It's gonna be specific maze. The main menu maze. And then the camera's gonna be in a specific spot, and it's gonna be like, cool. You know? I don't know why I'm doing that, but I am doing that. I don't really have a reason to have a global script. I might delete that. Thinking I might delete that. I'm back. Welcome back. Okay, what do I need to do? I'm gonna ignore global and make a new script called main menu. And it's gonna go on there. I don't know why I did it like that. I haven't touched Godot in a while. It's a problem. It's a real problem. So we should have oh. Sag. Let's do this. There we go. Wait. I don't even need that. I can just do pressed? Would it be button down? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. And then, how do you load the scene? I don't remember. I literally need to Google. Godot. Load scene. I don't remember how to do this. Hit tree change scene. Okay. Cool. Maze. No, wait. Level? Game. For some reason. There we go. 2. Is it back? Is that right? Let's go! Let's frickin' go! Oh dear. Okay. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. What I might do then, for the background of the scene, we need a oh, canvas layers right there. Okay, yeah, that is how I do that. What is touch control? Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend that's not happening. Ignoring that. World environment. I need world environment and a camera. So copy that and a camera. There we go. Yonk. Yay, it's completely black for now. So we're going to have. Will I bother modeling the cart and putting that on the? Maybe, just maybe. Yes, just like that. Boom, minecart. Let's go. I suppose, right? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Is that good enough? Just as a minecart, like that feels good enough, right? You can imagine that going down the Oh dear. Yep. Sure. Mine. Not what I wanted to do. Not how I wanted to do that. Oh yeah. That's a good point. It would just cover all of the tracks if I made it too big. I think it would... Oh. So you can already kind of not really see that much. But that could be down to the camera angle. Hang on, let me play my stupid game. It's kind of bad. Kind of bad. I just realized something actually. The maze generator. Where's place walls? No. Place wall at sell the thing I was doing. It would be on edge. Place wall on edge. So, because I've moved the floor down for some reason. Because when I generate the floor, I've set its position to be just -1, just straight up -1. All right, that's cool. Screw it. I guess I'll just place wall on edge. -1. That's stupid. It also didn't work. Oh, it did work. It did work. Okay. Oops, sorry. I could just make the walls like stupidly tall if I wanted to. So place wall on edge and then place wall at cell needs to be the same, so I'll just do -1. I know it's bad, but it's fine. You also can't see the ceiling ever. You just can't. So I suppose it doesn't matter. Good enough for me. So we have this. Oh, I was gonna say something about about something. Godot. The player, camera. I think I've tilted it up slightly, if I remember correctly. And I could just not do that. I could move the camera up even more and then tilt it down again. I just think like it's the classic horror thing of like making the player lower so that you have to look up at your enemies so that you feel more helpless, or you feel small. I want you to feel small. I mean, I do feel pretty small looking at this. But, you know. Woof. I'm glad the rails are in as much as they are really difficult to look at. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep the rotation as it is. You know what? We don't need the minecart. You can see the rails. You're on rails. You can see that. So I'm just gonna keep it that way. No minecart for me, thank you. I'm just going to make the main menu and nothing else. Goodbye, Blender. It was nice knowing you. Main menu, we want... gosh, what do we want? When do we want it? I don't know, my brain's not really on. Like, at all. I have water. That's nice. I'm making up for the hydrate me's that you redeemed a while ago. A long while ago. I don't know what I'm doing. Making main menu. Making a maze. We're gonna make a maze happen in the main menu. So I'm gonna make a new Node 3D. It's gonna have a thing. It's gonna be like menu maze, I suppose. Yeah, and it will inherit maze. Boom. Hell yeah. And we're gonna have maze, and you're gonna have not that. Just have these. I think it's fine. Okay. Had a bunch of weird errors show up when I was just copying something, and that was terrifying. So we have these should already exist. So menu maze. Guess I'll just do ready. Like that. And in ready we're gonna make a new maze. So how does this actually work? Generate maze. I need to make it not generate maze. So we're just going to have it place the walls on the wall edges. That actually will be really annoying. How would I do this? Hard code the maze to do. Okay, let's just start with like cell 0, 0, because we'll just have camera be at 0, 0 and then pointing towards 0, 1 or 1, 0, whatever. You know. Would it be easier to just hand build it? It actually might be. Oh. Ooh. Ooey. Could actually try hand build a maze instead and see if that looks good. I'm just gonna check what that might actually be a lot easier. Actually, it would be easier. So maze generator, your wall thickness is 0.5. Oh. So your cell width is 2.8 and then wall thickness is 0.5. Okay. Cool, I guess. Alright, Blender time. Suppose. Yeah. Everything will be multiplied by 2.8. So I could just make it at normal scale, I suppose. Is default cube 1 or 2 meters? It's 2. Okay. Scale that by 2.8. A weird way of doing it, but I did it. So this is the size of one cell. I could just not. Could just not. You know? What if we just don't? Change the project settings so that at first we run main menu. Yes. So if I press F5, it should load me to the menu, press play, boom, in the game. Like, have I got my... Is it just done? Should I just call it done? I think maybe I just call it done so I can move on with my life and just do the next thing. God, do we do that? Do I do that? Actually, honestly, probably. I got cool ideas for what the next game is, and it is not this. It is not this. But I really want the menu to look nice. I really want it to look nice. Oh. Oh, what do I do? Grr. Okay. Here's what we do. Global. Be gone. Main menu. You do this. Okay, cool. In the main menu, we have just this. That's just what it is. Menu maze, be gone. None of that. I'm a little sad to be putting this down, but like, I don't know. I don't want to be semi-productive, I guess. I just want to see you again. Yeah. This is what it do. It's not working. I'm not happy about the state of this game, but it's my fault for not touching it for a long time, so it's fine. It's fine. It's cool. It's cool, you know? It's just cool. That's what it is. Ah. It's cool. Cool game. Very scary. Many scary. I was jumping out of my seat from how scared I was at that game. Wow, what a great horror game. I'm gonna commit that. Main menu exists. Main menu exists. The level exists. What did I change? Okay. And the maze generator is that. Okay. Feature. Head main menu. Wow. And then synchronize that. The main menu is just the play button. That's literally it. It's just play. I don't care enough to add to it anymore. I want, maybe at the very least I could put the word maze train on it, but like that later. I'm moving on. I'm moving up in the world. Can you like quit to project list? Yeah. Yeah, I could just add the name of the game. Yeah, not wrong. Wait, did I just never... Oh. Hold on. I have some project digging to do. And I don't want to show off all of my repositories, so we're just gonna look at me. Hi, hello, it's me. I'm all over the place right now. I just need to close that and open clone git repo. Clone from GitHub. What's the name of it? I don't know. I'm waiting for the things to show up. Horror game? No. Okay. Okay. We're getting it. We're downloading it. Okay, right there. Yeah. Open. Open sesame. Okay. Hi. If I open Godot now, I should scan? Godot? Let's go. Right, I think I have to pause this. It might be loud. How do I change volume? I'll just turn down desktop audio on stream. Because I believe I have a DDR type setup with nothing. Nothing? What do you mean nothing? What? Why nothing? Why is it nothing? I'm so confused. Why is there no code? Why is... Wait, have I... Hold on. Is it all on my laptop and I just didn't push? That can't be the case. That looks like it is the case. I just have the bar and it's nothing. Nothing. I got nothing. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab my laptop and I'm gonna push it. See what's up. I just realized I turned the wrong thing up. There you go. Alright, hang on. I'm doing something really crazy, apparently. That's what I did. I have a staging branch. Okay. I guess. Crazy, I was crazy once. So I'm... Oh, that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm doing crazy stuff. Wild things. Because I have a branch named Feature 01 Special. I made a staging branch in a solo repo. I remember now, I went through a period of time where I think this might have been before the semester started. I can actually tell you that. When was this? June 11. So, when was this? June 16. So, for 1 week, I thought I was going to work on this project. I wanted to do everything properly. I wanted to do everything the way that I wanted to be done. Like, I think all of the code is, oh my god, I got a Note Player, Note Factory. Oh my god, I missed this. I should have worked on this. I should have finished the other game to move on to the rhythm game, because rhythm game is so cool. It's fine. We're finally here. We are here. I don't remember working on this very well because it's been however many months ago June was. So, you know, whatever. So what I did, right, is I know I'm making a rhythm game, so I thought I would make a DDR clone, make the very the most minimum effort possible DDR clone, so that I have the rhythm aspect of the rhythm game done, and then I can just make the rest of the game around that. So like, it's not going to be like DDR. It's not going to be the 4 channels and you do that. It won't be that. It'll be different. But at least I made a rhythm game. I'm going to turn that down because I think it's going to be a bit loud. I think if I press play. I missed a note, but like, rhythm! I need to make a different track because that doesn't really fit the vibe. So it's a shooter game. It's going to be shooter, and it's going to, like, I think the idea is if I have paint open, right? Ha! Sorry for blinding you if you were looking. You should not have been looking. It's not your fault. But I want to draw in red. So you have maybe the control screen might be button here to move left. Button here to fire in the left direction. Button here to fire in the right direction, and then move right. I don't know, it might be kind of cool. Because then it's like, it's still a 4-channel thing, but it's like your character can move left and right or can fire left and right. The gun. And then some way, somehow I make, oh my god, I'm never going to get this game done. That was one idea. The other idea was, because I think any more than 4 might be too many options, right? But maybe there's a central button that does something that's like, I don't know. Alternatively, let me. I was zoomed. Oh, I was zoomed in really far. Okay, so like that's that right there. That's one possible control scheme. I also have, maybe we have like alternatively, right? You just have like the Joy-Con. So like that centerpiece, like you put your thumb on it and it's a joystick. Virtual joystick, and then just press anywhere on the screen to fire in that exact direction. Which may work, may not work. So the problem with that is that your fingers will cover the screen because you'll be tapping all over it. So I think I'm going to opt for this. And also with the left and right, I could have like, I thought it'd be funny, like you're holding a dubstep gun and it's been programmed to force you to dance. The joystick better. Ugh. Like you're right. It is better because you get freedom of movement, but then I don't know how I'm going to code the game around it. I don't know how I'm going to make it work. I don't know. Because I know exactly how I'd make it work with button is the other thumb. Yeah, but it's like, what do you fire at? Because there could just be like a fire button and you just press that to automatically fire, just automatically shoot at whatever is around you, and you don't have to pick the direction to shoot in. Maybe. And it could just be where you're facing. Yeah. It's just that if you want to shoot behind you, you have to walk backwards for a second. Or, yeah, you have to move the thumbstick to the left. I mean, it works. Probably. But the reason I thought of this is it's just really funny if the weapon you're holding forces you to dance. Like, you know, specifically move left or move right. Maybe jump. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, whoa. Why does love do they do me? I mean, I could. Okay, well, this one does look like it's more fun. Portrait game? No. No, it's not gonna be portrait. There's no way. It's gonna be landscape. Because I think everything comes at you from the side in my head. It could be a top-down shooter game, but that feels like it's almost exactly the same thing as this. Just with a different skin. Yeah, I could make a Music Tiles clone, but that actually I did. This is that's a Music Tiles clone right there. It's just if you tap off it, then you would, yeah. Like this is only 1 degree removed from Music Tiles. What are these? Oh, those are the UI labels. Yeah. Because I do have actually, I do have that one problem, right? Of, hang on, the music is gone and it's making me sad. BRB. Okay. I just need a plan. And I currently don't have a plan. I just need to do some research. Because I don't know how rhythm game beat maps are made. Like this is something I... Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm physically too tired to put up with both streaming and figuring out what to do with this game. This stupid game. So I'm gonna do some work on it without streaming, and then I'll come back another day and show off whatever I've done, and hopefully I'll be on a roll. Because I haven't looked at this project since June, and I just feel like I don't know where to begin. I'm going to begin on my own, and figure it out from there. So yeah. Bye. That's it. That's the stream. Goodbye. Goodbye.